Stacy here from True Grit Garage Flooring. Today we are going to showcase our True Flake maintenance packages. We're committed to keeping your floor perfect long after installation. We require all garage flooring clients to choose one, as it shows our commitment to quality and service. Something not easy to come by these days. Our three-tiered packages, Silver, Gold, and Platinum, cater to all needs and budgets. Silver offers efficient, basic care. Gold steps it up for a dazzling floor. And Platinum provides top-tier hands-free care for lasting vibrancy and durability. Let us get into the differences here. Meet our Silver package, the straightforward, cost-effective choice at just 50 cents per square foot. This package guarantees 6 solid years of support and service on top of our lifetime warranty. Within this period, we will deliver a total of 2 high-performance treatments that will breathe new life into your floor. These treatments will eradicate micro-scratches and subtle oxidation, restoring your floor to its initial brilliance. The total potential cost for an average-to-car garage could be around $210. Please note that while this service doesn't cover accidental touch-ups, it's a fantastic starting point for our clients who want an efficient maintenance solution with significant impact. Introducing our Gold package, a step-up solution at just $1 per square foot. Building on the solid foundation of the Silver package, Gold offers all the benefits plus 1 additional maintenance top coat. You still get 6 years of robust support and service to high-performance treatments and that stunning floor restoration you love. Moreover, the Gold package includes an extra maintenance top coat for even more enduring vibrancy and protection. With a potential cost of around $420 for an average-to-car project, this package is a stellar choice for clients seeking more comprehensive care. Note that accidental touch-ups are included with this package. This is the most chosen option and is sure to impress. Last but not least, meet our Platinum package, the ultimate in floor care at $2 per square foot. This premium 10-year package combines all the advantages of Silver and Gold, and then some. You'll receive a total of 2 additional maintenance top coats for extreme durability, preserving the original charm of your floor for longer. But the real cherry on top. Our Platinum clients enjoy our exclusive TrueEase service. We take care of item removal, storage, and return, making the maintenance process truly hassle-free. With an estimated cost of $840 for a standard-to-car project, the Platinum package is designed for those who want the best of the best. The Platinum package is an investment in uncompromising quality and convenience. In conclusion, our True Flake garage maintenance packages, Silver, Gold, and Platinum, offer tailored solutions for every need and budget. From the Silver's efficient, basic care to the Gold's enhanced service with an extra top coat, all the way to the Platinum's exclusive item removal service and additional protection, we've got you covered. At True Grit Garage Flooring, we value long-term relationships. That's why each package guarantees years of support, service, and superior floor care. Whether you're starting out or seeking the very best, our packages ensure your garage floor remains as vibrant and durable as the day it was installed. Choose the package that suits you best and let's make your garage floor a lasting testament to quality and beauty. Reach out to us today and let's keep your floor looking its best, year after year. Remember, at True Grit, we're not just installing floors, we're building partnerships. Let's create yours today.